This is a brief overview of some of the features of Sankofapedia. As you can see from the main page, we have uh, words from the scholars. These are random images that show up every time you reload the page. We also have our recent changes here that categorizes what changes or updated articles that have been made to Sankofapedia. The top bar here are the categories. These are the main categories within Sankofapedia articles that we will be covering. Cultures, definitions, events, geography, ideologies, news, organizations, peoples, philosophy, spirituality, science, and societies. And in each one of these categories, you will find articles where the articles apply for each particular category. So under cultures, for example, we have the Asante here, and this will be an article about the Asante culture. The next section is the graph view, which is still under beta, still under development right now. We really need a lot more content before we can fully utilize a lot of the features for this. So this is still in development and will be finalized as Sankofapedia matures. The next section is the calendar, and the calendar basically has notable events for any particular date. So you just click on this and it will give you events for that particular day in date order from earliest to present. The next section is story maps, and these are basically Google Docs spreadsheets, basically where you can fill in the information and create content for creating like a story map and to map um, uh, locations on a map and have them work with the rest of the website. I will create a separate video on how to do the story maps and also the timelines as well. Under the timelines, it is the same concept. It's basically very simple to create these. The format is once again on a Google Sheet. You fill in the data that you want for and the timelines for each of these, and you upload the pictures to the spreadsheet, and then it publishes it to our site here. And again, I'll be creating a separate tutorial on how to create the story maps and timelines.